Hello everybody. So I've got this Honeywell car air purifier, and so what's this box like? It's got this air purifier picture here. So there are icons here on one side of the box. Let's see what they say. Elegant design, air outlet, one key control, and then if you turn it around on the other side, you've got DIY, do it yourself, easy filter replacement indicator, 3-stage high efficiency compound filter. So let's open it up here. So I've opened this box here. You've got the Quickstart guide up front, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. One warning sign here, installation on the airbag is prohibited. Just be careful about how you place this on the car dashboard or on the cable tray. So these are the three main components that we have now: the power adapter, car air purifier, and the 4 Velcro fasteners. There's a filter that's inside the car air purifier already, so that doesn't come in separately. So let's get inside the car and get going. So let's go through the quick start guide and go through each of the steps. Step 1 is you have to connect the power cable. So turning it around, again this is the power slot here. So let's insert it. There you go. And you've got to clip it here inside the slot so that it holds pretty firmly. Next step is you've got these Velcro fasteners. Just peel off the white adhesive label and stick it onto the surface of the car air purifier, and then you could peel this off on both the sides. Now plug it in, power connection for the car air purifier, insert it into the 12 volt DC connection, and you're good to go. So the next step is for you to place the car air purifier on the dashboard. Make sure that you don't place it where your airbag deployment units are. So in this car, you can see it's on the left side, so I'm going to avoid that space, and I'm going to place it right here in the top middle of the dashboard. Yeah. So as you can see, the cable length is actually pretty long. So this is the final state. We've got the car air purifier on the dashboard, and what we've done is we've obviously plugged in the cable and 2 additional Velcro fasteners that were provided in the box. So now as you can see, there's a power point here, but what I feel it convenient to actually keep it at the power point that's in the front. So I pulled the cable back here, and I'm going to put it under the mat here so that it stays concealed. Run the cable here all the way behind. So another convenient way to do this is the tray at the backside of most cars is actually got a hairy surface. So you pull in the cable, and the cable is pretty long to kind of come at the backside. Now on the back of the car air purifier, you were supposed to stick the loop fasteners. You've got a hairy fastener and you've got a hook fastener. Make sure that the hook surface is actually stuck onto the car air purifier, not the hairy surface. And with this, you can take it and place it here, and it just latches onto the surface. So the right direction to place this car air purifier is not this way, because this way the button's actually reflecting on the back side. You have to face it towards the driving direction. So next step, I'm going to now switch on the car. If you're switching it on for the first time, it will switch on low fan speed mode. If you press it one more time, it will move to high fan speed. So you hear the double beep. This improves the air suction capability of the air purifier. You press it one more time, it switches off. So first press, you switch on at low fan speed. Second press, you move to the high fan speed. Third press, you switch it off. So the same power button actually works as a filter replacement indicator. This turns red when you're supposed to replace the filter. In such an event, make sure that you remove the power point. Next step, take a coin, insert it in the slot given here, and the top comes out to be replaced with the new filter which I had already. Keep it in the same position. Press it firmly. Now switched off the power when you were replacing the filter. You need to switch on the car once again, and this light will still show as red. That's because the reset button needs to be pressed in here. Use the safety pin and insert the pin inside here. The filter replacement is reset and the light turns blue once again. Take the top cover, you're good to go. Okay, so we've installed the Honeywell Move Pure car air purifier. Now roll up your windows, get set, ready to go and move pure.